Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can solve task manager not responding problem, or basically how you can restore your task manager. So basically when we are having apps not responding problem, then we go to task manager and terminate that application which is not responding and again try to open it up, or otherwise we go to startup and disable that application and restart our PC and again enable it and try to run that application. But what if task manager itself is not responding because of software bugs or because of lack of system resources or whatever may be the reason? Then what are we gonna do? So just press on Windows and R from your keyboard and it will open up a run dialog box, Windows R. Then you just type in gpedit.msc on the run box and just click on OK. So what it does is just opens up the Windows configuration managers, which allows you to manage settings for your Windows in your PC. So now what we are gonna do is just click on computer configuration, then you just go to administrative templates. Here I'll show you administrative template, then you just go to system and you just click here in Control plus Alt plus Delete option and you just go to remove task manager. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is just click on enabled option such that we can turn off the task manager from our system for a while because it's not responding at the moment. So just click OK. Now the task manager has been removed from our system, but if you want to check it, then just go to search bar and search for task manager. Just say open. But now the message says task manager has been disabled by administrator. So now what we are gonna do is again repeat the same process. Just press Windows and R and just say OK. Then it will again open up the Windows configuration manager. And again just click on computer configuration and administrative template and you just go to system, then control, then the first option, just click on this and again go to remove task manager. Now, so previously we have enabled it, but now we are gonna press the option not configured. So now just press OK. Now again, let's go and search for task manager. And as you can see, task manager is back. So if the task manager is not responding, first thing you gotta do is remove it from the system for a while by following the steps that I have mentioned, and again bring task manager back in the system, and I guess that will solve your problem for sure. So if this video worked for you, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.